In the admin console, we also have settings where you will find your general and login page settings. And from general, you will see your organization, its name, and its website address. But it is not possible to change them now since we configured them already. And then you will find some branding. And if you would like to change your logo, you should first delete it and then choose the logo that you would like to use. You also have the option to change your primary color by moving the button or adding the hex code there. You can also update the typography by choosing one of the most popular Google fonts that we have. And if you would like us to add some new fonts, we can always discuss it. And lastly, you can add some roundness by moving the slider. And once you are sure about the changes, you can just click on Save Changes to save everything. And in the end, we do have analytics, and we are working hard to make sure that your favorite analytics account is connected to your Cadenza account. And let's go to the login page. From here, you can change the title of the start page as well as enable an additional message below the title. So, title video, let's enable the message, and let's say to show the platform. And we can save the changes. And lastly, you can choose an image or drag and drop an image you want, just like I did. So now let's log out. And let's see the changes that we made here. As you can see, the image has changed and the titles.